It's another episode of What's on the Porch. I have my Macy's beauty box, and then this big box I want to give away. If you want to find out what I want and what's in my Macy's box, then you'll have to stick around. Hello friends, welcome back. Leanna's here. I have my Macy's box that we're going to open. This is for January. I'm a little late, but we're still in the month of January. And then I want to give away. But first, let's quickly open up my Macy's box. It's so cute that they wrap it up that way. I just think that's awesome. Should I toss that away like Stephanie does? I'll just drop it down there on the floor. It came with a little makeup bag. It's a little rubberized bag. How cute is that? It says, be kind to yourself, me time and self-care. That's awesome. I love that. Super cute. Comes with a little card that tells you a little bit of information about what's in the box. The Macy's box is $15 a month. It also has a $5 coupon in it. And let's see what we've got wrapped up in our pink paper. Alright, we have some Youth House Glow and Go Gold Eye Recovery Patches. They are Skip Gem. They have collagen, hyaluronic acid, and a surprise appearance from a retinol to make for a dream team that brightens your under eye. These retail for $30. Surely they're not $30 for one pack, but who knows. And then we have the Ahava Mineral Hand Cream. I know y'all see this in a lot of boxes. This is a repeat. I don't know if it's a repeat in the Macy's box, but I've gotten it in several other boxes. And again, this has to be a deluxe sample. This retails for $24, and the Ahava hand cream is really good, especially now because it's really cold. It's Saturday, and I'll be posting this on Saturday, but they're talking about us getting 18 inches of snow next week, like maybe on Wednesday. Y'all send me good juju. For 18, I want the 18 inches of snow. I know probably the rest of the people around me are going to fuss, but bring on the snow. I'll take it. We have this Elemus Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. I've had this before too, and oh my gosh, I love this. This is so good. I'm happy to have another sample of this. This retails for $64, and of course this is a deluxe sample, but $64. But y'all, if y'all haven't tried this, this is some really good stuff. I really like that. And then we have Beautiful Magnolia from Estee Lauder in this little teeny box. Let's see what this is. This is Parfum, and oh mama, the retail of the full size of this is $128. I'm here to tell you, Leanna would never pay $128 for a bottle of perfume. Ooh, that smells really good. So that will go in my bathroom. I put these in the bathroom, and then I just grab one to put on some mornings when I'm going to work. And next we have Clarins Total Eye Lift. This is Lift Replenishing Eye Concentrate. And the full size of this retails for $89. Look at this cute little sample. Look, little baby sample. It's so cute. Really is cute. I don't know that, I mean, you probably could get a good feel with this size sample because you really don't have to use a lot of product in your under eye area, or at least I don't. And the last thing in my Macy's box are these Babor Hydra Plus Ampoule Concentrate. Y'all come here just to listen to me try to pronounce these words, don't you? I know. These are little vials. How many is in here? There are 7 of them in here, and it's to boost your hydration levels to the max. Concentrated skincare formula made especially for dry skin. Hyaluronic acid and plant-based ingredients provide the ultimate source for moisture for a refreshed and vitalized complexion. $29.95. And I would imagine that this is full size because it has 7 in there. So let's open it up just so we can see what the little vials look like. It's like a science experiment. Look. Just be in the bathroom like a mad scientist putting this stuff on my face. Well, that's pretty cool. Oh. It has a little hoo-ha. That's annoying. And so these are, they're all glass. And so you put that on there to snap off the top. That's pretty cool. I am going to be like a mad scientist. I'm excited to give that a try. I'll let y'all know if I come out looking like Dr. Jekyll or Mrs. Hyde. I'll put the link down in the description box in case y'all are interested in checking out the Macy's box. I think the Macy's box is pretty good. I mean, that's a full-size product, but at least you get the kind of the deluxe samples instead of the little bitty baby ones that, you know, you really can't do a whole lot with. All right, let's move on to my winter box. Winter, not winter. I want to give away from Jean Louise. So, Jean Louise and Kimmy's Boxes did a battle. Was it a FabFitFun FabFit? Where you buy the things and then they do the battle to see who got the best mystery bag. And I commented on Jean Louise's video, but I wasn't commenting to enter, I was just commenting. And then she went to draw for the giveaway, and I don't know if she couldn't remember what the word was or she forgot to give a word, so everybody, she just did her comment picker and picked from everybody, and I got picked. I won. I didn't even know I was entering, so it was a big surprise to me. And then she said in the video for me to let her know whether or not I wanted it, but what she was giving away, I was like, I want it. Normally I try not to enter in other content creators' videos because I want their subscribers. I know I'm a subscriber too, but I want their subscribers to win their giveaways. But I wanted this. And then when I received this big giant box, I was like, that's suspicious looking, because there was one little thing and this box is too big for that. So there's a card, and there's way too much stuff in this box. There's a, look at the little bitty heart. There's one little bitty heart. How cute is that little bitty heart? I don't know why I find that so fascinating, but I like it. And then there's way more stuff in here. Jean Louise, you're sneaky, than what I won. So let's look at the card and then we'll dig into what she sent me. Look at a cute little puppy dog. Oh, look. Y'all know Jean Louise loves her ladybugs. And they're 3D. You can see that. Hi, Leanna. Congrats on winning my giveaway. I put in a few extras. Anything you already have, don't like, or can't use, please feel free to give away or whatever you want. Thanks for your support to my channel and me XO Love Jean Louise. Thank you so much, Jean Louise. If y'all do not know who Jean Louise is, I will link her down below. I'll also link Kimmy's boxes. I love both of those ladies. They are awesome. And Jean Louise and Amanda. You gotta go, and if you don't know who Amanda is, just go. Just go check out Jean Louise. She's awesome with her little co-host Amanda. Alright, so let's see what's in this box. This is what I won. She was giving away this Vera Bradley bag, and I've never had a Vera Bradley bag, and I'm not the kind of girl that's, you know, I have to have a Vera Bradley. I'm not that kind of girl, but look at how pretty it is. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. It's a makeup bag, and it's got the plastic lining in it, you know, in case anything leaks, and it's just, it was too pretty for me to pass up, so I was like, yes, I want it, so here it is. It's so pretty. I love it, love it, love it. So thank you so much, Jean Louise, for my winning giveaway item thingy hoo-ha. I love it, love it, love it. And now she sent me some extra stuff. She sent me, not only did she send me some dragonfly lights, which will be going up back there because y'all all know dragonflies, love my dragonflies, but she taped batteries to it too. So how awesome is that? I love that, the little dragonflies. They're so cute. Thank you, Jean Louise. I love that. And then she sent me a JM Solution Active Bird's Nest Moisture Mask. Look at how interesting that looks. Bird's Nest Mask delivers intense hydration deeply into your skin and makes skin moisture barrier. So this is Korean Beauty. Do you know how I know? Because there's Korean writing on the back. So that's very interesting. I'm going to use this for Mask Monday, this coming Monday. I have other masks that I have gotten that I know I need to use before this one, but that just looks extremely interesting. I can't wait to try that. And then she sent me 2 palettes. I'm guessing that she knows how much I love my eyeshadow palettes. She sent me the Milani Gilded Jewel. Look at how pretty that is. Such a pretty palette. I love that. Look at those colors. These right here really speak to me. Love that. And then, hi Biscuit. How are you? I got stuff in your way you need to get by. And then she sent me this OPV Beauty Spotlight eyeshadow palette. And I believe, I'm not 100% positive, but I believe that I had this palette in one of my subscription boxes and I gave it away to V from Simply You Makeup. I'll link V down below too, because it was so colorful. And I was a little intimidated because I hadn't really embraced the color. I think I'm embracing color now with this blue hair. Let's open it up and see. But I thought it was interesting that I gave that palette away, and here it is possibly. Yep, it's the same palette. Look at all those colors, y'all. They're so pretty. And I'm telling you, V did an amazing job using this palette in her videos, and I was like, wow. So I'm going to keep this palette and I am going to use it this time because I figure if it came back to me, that means that I'm supposed to be using it. And these colors do not intimidate me anymore. So there we go. That's what Jean Louise sent me. Thank you so much, Jean Louise. I was just expecting the Vera Bradley bag. I'm so excited to have 2 new palettes and my dragonfly lights, and I cannot wait to use that mask for this coming Mask Monday. And so now, because I want to give away. You can too. So I'm going to do a giveaway. And I'm going to take this bag because it says be kind to yourself, me time and self-care. And I'm going to fill it up with some goodies. I don't know what I'm going to put in it, but I'm going to fill it up with some goodies. And I'm going to give it away to one of you. So, in the comments, I want you to tell me what you do for yourself for some me time. Make sure you include me time because that will be what the comment picker will choose from. Tell me what you do for yourself that you consider me time, because we all deserve and need some me time sometimes. So there we go. All of the rules for the giveaway will be down in the description box. You have to be 18 years or older. You have to be subscribed to my channel publicly. You have to live in the... Well, you know what? I'm going to do this one international. This one can be international. You need to like my video. YouTube, nor any of the brands mentioned have anything to do with this giveaway. Blah, blah, blah. All of the other rules will be down in the description box. And I will end this giveaway on... Let's see, I already have a giveaway ending on the 9th. So I will end this giveaway on Saturday the 12th at noon Central Standard Time. So there we go. Thank you so much for spending some time with me today. I appreciate you. If you're new here, my name is Leanna. If you enjoyed my video, give me a thumbs up. It really does help out my channel and it sure would make my day. And as always, I'd like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are, and we are all beautiful at any age. Find something to be grateful for today. Pull your makeup out and play with it, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye-bye. Christopher, look at this beautiful Vera Bradley bag that I have to put my makeup in. You need one of these. I wonder if Vera Bradley makes pretty quilted tackle boxes. I mean, it's got a plastic lining in it, so you could use it as a special little pretty tackle box, because you could, you know, put your lures and your lipstick and your mascara all in the same bag when you go fishing, okay? Mama loves you, boo.